Okay guys, so this is part 2. This is what happened with the slime. It got so much smaller because all of it just literally melted. Like, it just melted. Because I had to leave for the dollar store. It literally just melted in my hands. So this is what I have left. It may not look like a lot because it's crinkled in a bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shove it in my slime drawer. Oh, I love this song. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. So I thought I would also get the borax. I'm smiling so I'll actually have a good thumbnail. It'll probably catch the time at this. I just wanted to catch the time. Where's my book bag? Oh, it's in there. Hang on. I'm gonna put this in there. Just want to say that if you need me, then come inside my room because I will be cleaning. My parents are inside of the living room, so I will not be able to go inside of the living room, put the borax in the living room. But anyways, guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, make sure you give it the hugest thumbs up in the world, and make sure you subscribe to my channel because it would really make my day if you did. And if you watched the first part of this video, I will put my Musical.ly name in the description down below in case you have Musical.ly and want to follow me. So anyway, love you all so much. Hope you have a great day. Bye!